A bombshell drops on Uthando Nesthembu Season 9. Business mogul and reality TV star Musa Mseleku just unleashed a jaw-dropping moment on Uthando Nesthembu Season 9. During a tense lunch at his daughter Mpilo's workplace, Musa dropped a deeply personal request that left viewers and Mpilo herself absolutely stunned. His concern, the future of Makhumalo's household, which is at risk because Makhumalo can't have children. After Macele refused to traditionally assign a Lwandle to Makhumalo's home, Musa turned to his 21-year-old daughter with a shocking proposal. If we don't act, Makhumalo's home will die. You need to step up and protect this family, Mpilo. No way, Dad. What? You want me to have kids for Makhumalo? Not marriage, just kids. No way, Dad. Forget it. Mpilo's reaction was pure disbelief. She made it crystal clear this wasn't happening, especially without Makhumalo's input. And she's pretty sure Thobile would never agree. The tension's thick and fans are going wild, debating loyalty, tradition, and where the line should be drawn. What would you do? Is Musa's request a desperate move to save a legacy or a step too far? What would you do in Mpilo's shoes? Drop your thoughts in the comments.